Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, a big update and a good news from Accentures and that they have launched an innovation challenge for you people. So let's discuss in details what is this innovation challenge about, what you need to do in this and the prize money and the perks you'll be getting in this and how to register finally and who all will be eligible for it. Each and everything we'll be discussing in details. So basically to participate in this, you can participate individually in this innovation contest or challenge, you can say, or you can have a team which is up to four people can join a team, make a team together, and then they can participate. It starts from 21st of July, which is to they have already started the this registration, and it ends on 7th of August, the online phase. After this, from 12th of September to 26th of September, you need to submit your prototype phase. I mean, you need to create your prototype, your project, whatever your innovation basically, and then you need to submit them. So what is all about this innovation? Basically, I mean, any business idea or any idea related to society which helps the society, you can share that idea with Accenture, and you can submit your idea with them, so that they give you a any so that you win this contest and you get the prize money. So as like I said, anyone can participate, any college students, for all. It is not mentioned that any particular a stream or particular this year pass outs can apply. It is nothing mentioned like this, but you can apply. Everyone has an opportunity to participate in this. Also, like I said, that there are attractive prizes, incentives, and you can showcase your talent or innovation on a very great platform like Accenture. Fine. And yeah, this opportunity, students have a fast track interview. Okay, so this is something that you will explain your idea or project to them, and then they will decide who is the winner. So it is like you have to register, you do the registration and submit the idea, and then online submission, then prototyping happens, and then the grand finale. The top 20 teams, I guess, will be moved to the grand finale stage, and after that they will decide the winner. So let's discuss phases. We have already discussed the submission idea and then online submission. Prototyping is like top 20 teams will receive the funding of 25,000 to build their prototypes and compete with each other in the semi-finale round. Okay, and the last round would be your finale round. You can go through it completely. Then the prize money would be, the winner will be they will get up to 1 lakh rupees, and then the first runner up is 75,000, second runner up is also 75,000, and top 5 runner ups will get this 25,000, and jury which is choice will get 25,000 rupees. So you can go through this, and last is innovate for business or society, like I said. So this is all about the Accenture's innovation contest. Now let's discuss about the FAQs. You can go through the FAQs completely about the this, and you need not to pay anything for this. This is completely free of cost. Okay, any no I mean, if you love to code, you can participate it. No such eligibility criteria is that you can participate individually as well as team. You can go through the complete details. I have covered the important points. How to register, let's talk about. You need to click here, register now. You need to basically sign up through Google or Facebook or GitHub, and then you need to fill up your complete application form, and yes, apply for this. All the best, guys. Do participate as an individual or as a team. Experience this. I mean, this is one of the great opportunity they are providing you people, and good prize money. So yeah, share with your friends as soon as possible. Do apply for it, and if you have any doubts or queries, do let me know in the comment section. I would be happy to help you guys. Also, you can message me on Instagram for any doubts. I am very much available there, or you can just comment on the comment section, and you can also join in this Telegram for the latest job updates if you are looking for. And yes, bye, have a great day, take care, be safe.